So this is the home of the new LRC Finland facilities. It's a brand new purpose-built facility that they've got here. Just waiting for all the signage and things to go up. But this is where LRC Finland are also based, as well as Autovari Store. And this is the new home for them. It's a great brand new purpose-built facility. It's brilliant. So this is the stockist in Finland, and we are here for another training session. This will be the final training session that we will be doing for them. All courses will now be run by Finland from here on in. So I mean, they have quite a large selection of products for people to buy. There's all the retail DIY products as well. They've got all the kits, restoration products, all the paints. They've got training kits. They've got everything that you need, all our accessories and all our natural bamboo products. So they've got everything here that you need, so it's a great selection. So the guys are here in Finland learning all about leather repairs on the course that we are on in March. It's nearly April, there's still plenty of snow around. We've had temperatures of like -14, but you know what? It's been a fantastic time with the course. We've been guiding the guys through here. They're learning all about leather. That's obviously been graining mats there. We're doing scuffs, tears, recolouring, changing the colour, conditioning, softening, you name it, everything. The guys have been doing absolutely everything. And here is Johnny showing them how to do a little bit of sanding on the surface of the leather, ready to paint. So this is all the sort of hand painting artwork that you can actually do on vehicles. So this has actually been carried out on a headrest here by the guys in Finland on the training course. So it's amazing what you can do. It's not just about restoration or repairs or anything like that. You can actually carry out specific tasks like this. This is a headrest. This is the Autovari Store logo for leather repair company Finland, who are the sole importers and distributors in Finland for all LRC products. This is Eino here showing you his artistic flares of what can be done on leather. It's not just obviously about repairs or restoration or anything like that, but this is what you can do. Well, here we are at Oulu Airport waiting for our flight in about 20 minutes to go to Helsinki. So that is our trip to Finland over and done with, and we'll give you an update as soon as we land back in England for the full video of exactly what's happened and how we've done. Thank you very much, guys. So here we are back in England in a very bright sunny Sunday afternoon, and after our amazing week in Finland with another training session taking place with Autovari Store now ready to up and run and manage all the courses themselves. They're raring to go. There's massive plans for LRC Finland over the next sort of couple of years with all sorts of shows and adventures that they're going to be going on the road and doing things. It's a fantastic time ahead, and we can't wait to enjoy the success they're going to have, and enjoy it with them. So we're just looking forward to a great few years ahead with them. Thank you very much, guys, for all your support for LRC around the world. Have a great time.